Sri Guru Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha. After hearing what Maitreya Muni said, and analyzing it carefully, Vidura Mahārāja asked Maitreya Muni, Katham Bhagavatas Chinmatrasya Vikarina. Katham Brahman Bhagavatas Chinmatrasya Vikarina. Līlaya chapi yujjiran nirgunasya gunakriya. He Brahman, the Supreme Lord is pure consciousness and is beyond three modes of material nature. Nothing material can affect him. He is the Supreme Brahman, the source of everything. How can he create this creation and as a play? You said as a play of a child, he engages in creation. But he is self-satisfied. How can he engage in play? Child engages in play because he has intense craving and desire inside to play. That's why he plays. But the Lord is self-satisfied. So, self-satisfied within himself, he needs nothing to be happy. Why he engages or he takes a vow or desires to create? Please clarify this doubt in me. The Maitreya Muni said, just as a sleeping person dreams that his or her head getting cut off and feels that it really is getting cut off and starts crying and shouting, screaming. But it is not cut off. It's only in the dream. But cry or scream comes due to really getting cut off. Similarly, all the living entities feel that everything material is real. That is due to Maya of the Lord. Due to illusory power and potency of the Lord, living entity feels that everything is real. But it is not real. It is like just of a shaky, wavy water in which the reflection of the moon at night falls. Because unsteady water, the reflection of moon seems shaky. But if you look in the sky, moon is not shaking, it is steady. Similarly, those who are in bodily conception of life, they think that everything in the material is correct. They feel that material things or their duty, they're doing duty, so-called duty is the real duty. But this is not in the Supreme Lord because he is steady and self-satisfied. Those who engage in devotional service honestly, sincerely, in due course of time, slowly their misconception about this world subsides, gets removed slowly, not immediately, not at once. And then becomes fixed in devotional service. Only when misconception and attachment to material things becomes reduced in gradual process of devotional service, then only a person becomes fixed in devotional service, because the desire to enjoy material things becomes reduced. When attachment, material attachment and envy becomes subsided, then one feels peace in devotional service. The situation of a person engaged in devotional service sincerely is that like that of a person who is in deep sleep. When person is in deep sleep, he or she does not know what is going on around them. Similarly, a sincerely engaged devotional service becomes free from material attachment and envy. And their miseries of material world become subsided, reduced, not thoroughly finished. Because the symptom of devotional service is kleshagni suhada. Removes all kleshas, means problems, miseries of material world, and rewards auspiciousness. When Vidura Maharaj heard such words of Maitreya Muni, he said, "Oh Gurudev, what you said really makes sense. I have understood. But now I want to hear how Supreme Lord is totally independent and how living entities are dependent. I want to know this. Please tell me." Because saintly people like you are very rare. Serving the saintly person should be the goal of human beings. Taking their association should be the goal of those who want to go beyond this world, back to Godhead. Therefore, O saint, very rare to find a saintly person like you, and your association and service to you. Please grant me my wish. My wish is to serve you. And this opportunity is given to those who are greatly meritorious, who had accumulated pious deeds in their many, many previous lives. Vidura Maharaj then he says, "Yascha mudha tamo loke, yascha buddhe param gataha, to ubho sukha medhete klishyanti tarito janaha." Oh Gurudev, there are two people who are happy in this creation. One is extremely stupid, don't know anything of this world. Extremely stupid, and a person who is situated in the Supreme Consciousness, who is pure and connected connected to the Supreme Lord. Only two people are happy in this creation. The supremely stupid and the attached to the Supreme Lord. Two people. In the middle, everybody experiences the problems of life. They are tormented by Maya. You had told me that the Supreme Lord had created all the material elements and Mahatattva and entered in them in his universal form, and then created everything that exists, filling them with living entities. But please tell me how the Lord created the Prajapatis, progenitors, and Manus, the managers of the universe. How the heretics, the showboats, misconceptions, spread in this creation. How these heretics preach and create bewilderment in the mind and hearts of people. How the high quality man produce a child in the low quality woman. Please tell me divisions of those. He wants to know. High quality Brahmin, high quality Swāmī, high quality saint, Muni, sage, thinker, produce a child in low quality woman. Please tell me grades of those. He wants to know. And their qualities. Please tell me religiosity, economic development, sense gratification, and liberation. Their stages and outcome of them. Tell me these four processes. Giving charity, performing austerity, and doing one's prescribed duty as per Varna and Asrama. What result they reap? Please tell me. And please tell me, Yena va Bhagavan tusyev dharma yoni janardana. Samprasidati va yesham tad akshyahi acharan. Tad akshyahi chanaga. Yes. Please tell me how the root cause of dharma, religion, spiritual process, root cause becomes pleased, Bhagavan Sri Kṛṣṇa. By following what process the Supreme Lord, the root cause of religion, spiritual process becomes pleased. And whom he blesses actually. Who are those people whom he blesses? Please tell me. Furthermore, please tell me the questions which I have not asked, which remained from asking. Please be merciful unto me. When he says, Anubratanam shishyanam puttaranam chadvijottama anaprushtamapi bruyu guravo dīnavatsala. Hey Dīnavatsala, merciful to innocent, please tell me those questions which are unasked, not yet asked. Because I am your true follower. I am like your son, a disciple. You being merciful, please answer those questions which I have not yet asked, or remained from asking. Please tell me how the Supreme Lord takes rest in the water, and how many elements and energies pray near him. And what happens to them when creation takes place? And what happens after they are destroyed? What happens to them? Please tell me the relationship between guru and disciple, how it works, how intense it should be. What is the goal of that relationship? My desire to hear Hari Leela. That's why I have asked so many questions. Please forgive me for overloading you with my questions. These are the prayers and humble presentations of questions to Maitreya Muni by Vidura Mahārāja. That's how a disciple should function near a guru when they find out their guru is real and is authorized by scriptures. Thank you very much.